Mo's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be showing you an upma recipe, a very simple upma recipe. And I'm going to be using the very fine semolina or rava or suji. The reason is that it cooks faster and it becomes into this very light and fluffy upma. And I've always been using fine rava. As it cooks faster, it's easier, and I just like it that way. Also, the recipe is very simple, very few ingredients that you have in your kitchen most of the time. So let's get started with today's upma recipe. So friends, let's start with today's simple upma recipe. Let me go through the ingredients with you. Now here I've taken 1 vati of very fine semolina, suji or rava. All ingredients in grams will be given in the description box below. Now this is 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine, 1 inch of ginger peeled and grated, 2 small light green chilies chopped fine, a few curry leaves, about a tablespoon of coriander chopped fine. This is about a teaspoon of udit dal and the juice of half a lemon. Now I'm also going to be using some cashew nuts, some salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of sugar. This is 2 vatis of water. Besides that, we are also going to be using about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. So these are all our ingredients. So let's get started. Now I've kept the 2 cups of water for boiling, and I'm going to be dry roasting the suji or the semolina or the rava. We're going to roast this on a low to medium flame, stirring continuously till you start getting the aroma of the suji or the fine semolina or the rava. So this should take you about a minute or so, but do roast it very well. That way your upma will become nice and fluffy. Now wipe your vessel or the pan if you're using the same one again, because then little specks of rava tend to be there, and they do it's better to have a clean pan. So now I've put just about half a tablespoon of oil, and I'm just going to fry these cashew nuts till they are a light golden brown in color. Now you can also use clarified butter or ghee for this recipe instead of oil. Now once I'm going to add my mustard seeds, my cumin and my asafoetida to the oil. I've added another half a tablespoon of oil. So altogether 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I've added the curry leaves, I've added the ginger and the green chilies, and we're going to fry everything nicely. The udit dal too. And we're going to fry all of this nicely. Now this udit dal gives a lovely flavor, as well as it gives a nice little bit of a crunch to the upma. Now we're going to add the onions, and we're going to saute everything very, very well. Next goes in our roasted semolina or rava. Now remember, our 2 cups of water are boiling. That's very important. So just keep it on a very low flame till the water starts to boil. Now we're going to fry all of this well together, and we're going to add some salt and that teaspoon of sugar. And we're going to mix everything well so all of the bagar or the fodni gets well integrated with the rava. Now, this is a very easy recipe and a very quick recipe too. It gets ready very quickly. And now we're just going to pour those 2 cups of boiling water all over the upma, all over the rava. And we're going to just cover it immediately. Don't stir it. Immediately cover it and cook it for about half a minute. After half a minute, just mix all the ingredients like this. You can also see that the rava or the upma the suji has already fluffed up. Now we're just going to add a few drops of clarified butter or ghee, and again we're going to cover this vessel and keep it aside for keep it on a low flame for another minute or so. And now you can get the beautiful flavor of the upma. We're going to turn off the flame and now add your lemon juice and mix everything well so the lemon juice also coats all of the upma very well. And then we're just going to add a little bit of the coriander and the cashew nuts. And the rest of the coriander and the cashew nuts, you can, garnish it as you serve the upma. And that's it, friends. Such a quick recipe, such an easy recipe and an instant recipe. So give it a try. liked the recipe. I hope you did, and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like today's recipe, or if you have a different recipe for upma. I would love to know. So if you like today's video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere below this video. Also, if you haven't hit the red subscribe button, please do. It's completely free. And once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell that will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same, so you won't miss out any of the recipes that I put up on my channel. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel of all different types. So if you're looking for any specific recipe, just type the recipe in the YouTube search button, and besides it, type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for Sheera, type Sheera, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will come up first. Also, at the end of the video, 2 boxes will come up. Those are my recipes. If you're interested, just click on them. In the middle of the video, something sliding up here in white saying suggested. If you want to see those videos, just click on them. They're my videos too. So I'm very active on Facebook and Instagram, so you can follow me there. I have all links in the description box below. Also, the entire recipe with the exact measurements are in the description box below, which is just below this video. A small little arrow, click on it, or there's a word saying show more, and everything will open up. So thank you guys for watching today's video, joining me today. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Take care guys, bye.